What's going on, my millionaire brother? Today I have two special news. One is good news and one is a very suspensive special news. Yes, so both are very important. So let's get started this price prediction of Tron coin. But before I get started this important video, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, click on the red button, and second, press the bell icon, select all, and don't forget to like this video, my friend, because this video is going to special for you. To don't skip any updates. Okay, please subscribe. So let's get started. The price prediction, my brother. Oh my god, they gonna change in negative. Oh, this is very badly timed, man. You can see here that totally goes down in the last 24 hours, minus 0.69%. They're going strong, every bad struggle. You can see here they're going down, so this is terrible time. You can see here, and the latest price as this time 0.13108 US dollar. My friends, this price is gonna be changed and just in upcoming days, but you just wait, hold it, and wait for a good time, guys. Some people tell me on Instagram, message me personally to what we do in this critical situation, because Tron is very fastly going down, and we did not want to lost, sir. No one want to lost, my friends. No one, especially I am not one to lost. If you want to lost, then oh, so sorry. I hope you also not want to lost. So no one to want to lost. So therefore, I make this special video for my brother to he as be safe from any loss. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and no need for thanks, please, no need for thanks. You tell me and you comment me, so thanks for this information. This is not for thanks. This is just for my brother to he has be safe from loss, and all from my sister, etc. Okay, so come to the point, guys. Come to the point. This is not a wasting time. You can see here this time the chain Tron is very highly jump, and the last sorry, and the last 24 hours. You can see here this is, sorry, oh my goodness, the result change, and to 3 months, as you can see here the last 3 months result has definitely gone up, and the last 24-hour result you can see here they totally gone up, my friend. But I don't know how is it possible to they gone very badly down. You can see here they take a small dump also, but they take a very high jump. The price is definitely gone up 0.134 US dollar this time. You can see here this time the price gone up. So but you can see here they take a small up when they this is the tip. You can see here not this, okay, not this. When they take a small dump, then definitely they take a very high jump. You can see here then the graph result. You can see here the price come to 0.136 US dollar. Very high price. I think this is very good time or good point to use sell it. But some people tell me to why they are going down, we are in losting, we are going to sell. So this is not what time to use sell it, and this time when they gone down, you can see at this point if you sell it, then definitely you are in the totally in the loss. But if you sell at this point, then definitely you are in the profit. They make you a millionaire, they give you a very good profit. So my friends, I hope you understand to what I talk you. Let's see the last the market cap result to what's going on in the last 24-hour address, what going on in the 1 hour. You can see here a return on last 24-hour result this time as a negative, but after before 1 minute they are and positive. What I tell you, very bad result. Tron, you are, I kill you, Tron. Return, you can see here the last 1 hour result as 300 and 300 400 something. So my friend, this time the return of last 1 hour also market cap gone down, but I don't know why. This is very bad year 2021 when start they Tron as very badly gone down sometime. So this time the price is going up, and I hope in upcoming days the price is increasing hour by hour, day by day. So this is 24 hours price. You can see here 0.12550 and 11 US dollar. This time the latest price. You can see here the last 24-hour chain 0.13, 0.12 to 0.13. This is high chain. You can see here 0.13 as the high chain and 0.12 as the low chain. So I hope in upcoming days the price change and to 1 US dollar just and of a few days. So what you say? Can they go off like a rocket? I hope they're going off. They jump like a Spider-Man. What you say? Please share your opinion to this is selling time or buying. My opinion is that to absolutely this is buying time. If you have any type of plan to buy more, then buy it and hold it and wait for good time. They give you a good result. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. The good news as that, the good news which I tell you in the start of this video, the good news as that to I do a giveaway of 5,000 Tron coin. So the giveaway is coming soon, but please, if you complete my 10,000 subscribe, then I do a special video for this. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.